Hi, I'm Chris Greer with Global. Today we're going to talk about solar kits and solar expansion panels so that you can extend your boondocking and outdoor adventures. On shore power, you can power anything in your vehicle. Once you unplug from shore power, your 50-watt panel will supply basic battery maintenance and power a CO2 detector, but you won't be able to run your refrigerator or any other appliances. Add an additional 100-watt solar panel and a Y connector for 150 watts of total solar panel capacity. You now have enough power to run your 12-volt refrigerator and some lighting for over 40 hours. Add a second battery and you can run your refrigerator indefinitely. As you add more solar panels, you can power more items in your vehicle and boondock longer. As you add more solar panels, you'll need to upgrade the charge controllers and add additional batteries to handle the electrical load of the vehicle. Way Elite solar panels and expansion kits help you get off the grid so you can enjoy your time outdoors. Power more, boondock longer.